Sorry about that. Microphone was off. Anyways, what is going on, everybody? How is everybody doing today? Second week of quarter four, second week of September. How was everybody's trading week last week? Or should I say, how was everybody's NFP? Sorry about that. Microphone was off. Anyways, what is
Trippy
going on,
Red.
everybody? How is everybody doing today? Second week of quarter four. Okay, Trippy Red had a good. Well, Trippy Red said he's doing good. All good, man. All good. All good in the hood, baby. Currently looking at US 30 right now. Currently looking at US 30. The main question is, how was everybody's NFP? That's what I want to know. How was your NFP, man? Got Tony Gold in the house. What's going on, Tony? What's the deal? What's happening? Whew. What is going on? A wild brother. What's the deal, man? How you doing? I did not trade NFP. Whew. Good thing you didn't. I didn't trade NFP, but I traded on Friday. I traded on Friday. So I want to show you the trade I took on Friday. We were trading US 30. So let's take it away. Let's take it away, baby. Also, only had a couple of scalps on Friday. Come on. You're scalping Friday. All right. This is today. So let me delete this Fibonacci. And let's go back to Friday. Gonna go to 1 hour. Okay. Let's take it away. US 30. My analysis before NFP was something like this, guys. Right? I had my trend line. This is my first touch of the trend line. This was my second touch of the trend line. And I was expecting a third touch somewhere here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that is what I was expecting on US 30 if my bias was correct, which it was. If my bias was not correct, I was expecting buys to the upside. So I was ready for the move either way, either direction. Okay? Either direction, I was ready. So we're looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, guys. All right. So I'm also going to dive into the 30, the 5, the 15, all of that. So here we had a nice bit of correction. As you can see, we had some nice correction over here. Once that correction was broken, we had a push to the downside. So this was on Thursday. We had a push to the downside on Thursday. Price came back up. We formed a double bottom. NFP news came out, then we sold. This was just a simple impulse correction impulse, and it looks clean on the 1 hour time frame, not gonna lie. Of course, top-down analysis for everything, man. Not just like top-down analysis does not only apply to like higher time frames, it applies to everything. Like, how are you gonna know if price is gonna be bearish on the 1 minute if you don't know what's happening on the higher time frame? So I'll draw my Fibonacci from this high to this low, and my entry criteria is usually around the 6180, 7860, which was the break and the retest, as you can see over here, right? So I was looking for entries around here, and these entries of this break and the retest, it lines up with my trend line. You get me? So now let's count our confluences. Our first confluence is our trend line, so that's 1. Yeah. Our second confluence is the break, retest, that's 2, comma 2. And our third piece of confluence is price retesting our fib zone, 3. This makes this setup an A+ setup. Do you guys agree or disagree? And we're only on the 1 hour, by the way. So knowing what we know in the 1 hour, what we can do, we'll just draw our short position tool here, and our take profit minus 27, which is down here. Stop loss slightly above that wick. Boom. So now let's go into 30 minutes. Everything is pretty much the exact same as the 1 hour, but a little bit more detailed with more candles. So we can see there's a break, retest, boom, 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 boom. Price came back, boom. We hit this, bang. Now we're here. NFP came out. Usually when NFP comes out, price moves one way and then it goes the opposite. So that's what it did. It went bullish. Then the real move was the bearish move. Easy. So now let's dive into 15-minute time frame. On the 15, pretty much the exact same as the 30-minute. Not much of a difference. What we can do now is just like get a little bit more technical with it. Here there would have been liquidity, order blocks, whatever the hell you want to call it. So our entry could have actually been here. So now see how that 1:3 has turned into a 1:5 on the 15. Next, we go into the lower time frame, 5. 5 minute, we're just trying to see, is this legit? Is this who he says he is? Is the US 30 really selling, you know? So as you can see, we just came back, retested this, shot down. So from here, we can go into 3 minutes and see, was there any, anything interesting we could have found in the 3 minute time frame that could, make, let's just say, re-entries or stuff like that, So on the 3, like, there was a little break here. Exactly. The higher time frame was our priority. If we did not see the break and retest in the higher time frame, we would be going for buys when price is actually selling. And that's how you get caught on the wrong side of the market. Even if you jump into 1 minute, When you guys say scalping, whoever said scalping, Lesedi or Lesedi, what time frame are you scalping on? Because look at it here now on the 1 minute, yeah? On the 1 minute, let's just say we knew where our target was from the 4 hour time frame. We found our break, we found our retest. Imagining entering here on the 1 minute time frame and holding it all the way down here. Then obviously your stop loss, since you are in the 1 minute, you have a tighter stop loss. You could have caught a 1:8, and you could have caught a 1:5. So you could have made like 13, whatever percent it adds up to, 11%, you know? 13% actually. And that was NFP. That was literally NFP. So today, what did price do? So now if we go back to 1 hour, we can see we had a break to the downside. Boom. So when price broke to the downside, we have now created a new lower low. So this is our LH, aka lower high. Can you guys see that on the screen? I'll make the font a little bigger if you can't see it. But anyway, this says LH, yeah? LH. Make it 24. Lower high. Lower low. So obviously before price makes a new lower and new lower low, it has to come back to try and make a new lower high, which would be somewhere here, aka retesting our trend line. So this push is today, by the way, guys. This is today's push. So now we know for the day we could be bullish until we reach our trend line. So if we know that today we could be bullish until we reach our trend line, we're going to go into smaller time frames and try to look for buys, at least first to this zone that it broke, and look for a retest there. So we can try and buy from here to here, and if price breaks above, we can continue to buy until price doesn't buy anymore. So let's go into 30-minute time frame, see if we can find anything on the 30. Nothing too interesting on the 30, but if I was to go to the line chart, we can see small lower lows and lower highs. We broke above, retested. Now we're making new structures. So let's go into 15-minute. Razdo, what's happening, brother? So on the 15-minute, we could have caught an opportunity to buy right here. We had a break. We had a retest. No worries, man. We only just kickstarted the stream, so you're all good. So like I said, initially from the 1 hour time frame, our first target would have been here, this blue zone. because that's where price broke. So it's most likely going to come back to retest. So from there, we could have caught a nice trade here to the blue zone here, and a stop loss 1:3. Boom. The good news is after this, right? Price was actually continuing to be bullish, you know. So now that price is still bullish, you ask yourself, where is price most likely going to? From what I can see, I'm like, it's most likely going to come back up here and do like a stop loss hunt and take everybody out that was in those cells from NFP. Because don't forget, NFP was here. We sold off. Banks are taking profit. AKA now, price is correcting. So if you miss this opportunity here, we're looking for another opportunity. Same rules apply. Break, retest. And this is at 4 p.m. So 2 hours ago. 4 p.m. you do the same thing. Boom. We know this is our potential target. So we put our take profit at the potential target. Stop loss 1:3. So if you were sharp today, you could have caught 6%. And these would have been two different sessions, by the way. This would have been London session, and this trade here would have been NY session. And now we're kind of rolling over into Asia/Tokyo. Anybody got any questions regarding what I just explained? And while we're here speaking on the topic, if you are in the Discord, right, what's happening now, guys, is there is a schedule section. So you guys can no longer keep asking me, when are we streaming? When are we streaming? Yeah. So as you can see here on the schedule section, you can see everybody's timetable. So with me, I'll be streaming same time every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Same time. So catch me here. Well, this stream started like 30 minutes ago. So at 6 p.m., 30 minutes back, this is when we begin. Okay, so it's a free YouTube stream, but we will give away 1 month premium to the new subscription that we've got going on. Yeah. So yeah, so 3 streams from me, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, guys. That's when I'm going to be dropping you the sweet sauce. Also, I have my own little section here where I'll be sharing my setups. So I don't know if somebody can quickly check for me. If someone can check if this is public, if you guys can see the chat. Can anybody see the chat? That says Dube, which is me. I'm Dube. So if somebody can just quickly confirm and just quickly open up Telegram, Discord, and just double check. So I'll be sharing all my setups, everything I'm seeing here, guys, in my own private chat. I got a friend request from Skriller. Okay, so you guys can see it. Amazing. So that's where you're going to be catching me sharing all my signals on my setups before it happens. Boom. Make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers in 30 days. Yeah, that's my challenge. I'm going to get 10K subscribers in the next 30 days. But I need your help, though. You help me, and I help you. Okay, I see Razdal. Hello, hello. So this is my new chat. I'm just going to react to it. Add a reaction. Keeping it 100, baby. Let's go. Welcome to my chat, guys. Yeah. Appreciate you guys for joining the chat. And yeah, this is where you're gonna see me, all that kind of stuff there. So moving forward, where were we? US 30. Now US 30 is starting to sell. US 30 is starting to sell. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we've just taken out the liquidities. But as we speak, we're taking out the liquidities. So in the next hour, we see how this candle closes. If it closes below the area, we're going to continue to sell. If it closes below that area, we'll continue to sell. So what I'm going to do now, for those that want, so we're also giving away 1 month free membership, guys. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're giving away 1 month free membership. In my opinion, it's better than getting a funded account, because with the free membership, you get free access to all of us, and you get free setups. Would you rather free setups or an account that you might blow? You tell me. Boom. This is where we're signing off for the giveaway. And yeah, that's that. Gold. I know you guys want to talk about gold. Gold pretty much did the exact same thing as US 30 on Friday. So let's go back to Friday. NFP sold. So one of the first things I will just show you guys with gold, yeah? Gold is actually low-key consolidating. If you haven't seen it, you probably might see it now, yeah? Gold is just consolidating between these zones right now, as you can see, guys. So what's probably going to happen next? Gold is going to push, whoosh and push to the upside. That's what I think. It's going to whoosh and push to the upside. As we speak, gold is buying right now. So, yeah. But anyway, let's talk about NFP gold. We are at a level of resistance. Boom, 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 boom. One little secret, one little tip I have, guys, is whenever you see price bounce from one zone to the next, yeah. So price bounce from here to here. Sorry. It bounced from here to somewhere here. That was like 400 pips, if I'm correct. So each time it bounced from the resistance zone, it had an average of 400 pips. So I know that once it came back here, as you can see, look, averagely it would have dropped around 400 pips. So that's something to keep in mind. So if I'm anticipating sales on gold, I'm thinking, it might drop around 400 pips from that point, depending on the news outcome, of course. And the news outcome did play in our favor. On the 1 hour, nothing too crazy, nothing too spectacular. So we go into 30 minutes. On the 30-minute time frame, look what we have here. We have a push to the downside. We have a retest. Then we have a drop. And now price is retracing. So you could have easily just drawn your Fibonacci from the high to the low, waited for price to come to the Fibonacci zone, which is here. So I'm now going to delete that. So we would have been looking for sales somewhere around here, guys. And then 400 pips. Whatever it is, I don't know if it's 400 pips, but because you know gold numbers move differently and they move so crazy and so weird. So with that, we can go to 15-minute time frame and try and see would this entry be an ideal. So on the 15, I give it the green light on the 15. Yeah. So on the 15, I give it the green light. Break, retest, gone. So now let's go to 5. 5 minute, pretty much the same. Let's go to 3. 3, the same. Let's go to 1. So guys, if all other time frames are telling you the exact same thing, the trend is your friend, and don't fight it, man. Don't fight it. So look, now we're on the 1 minute time frame. Look at that break and retest. Look at the break, look at the retest. From there, maybe you could even just have your trade over here, because you know it's going to drop like 400 pips, whatever that number was that I found. And now look, we have a 1:10. So let's see what the comments are saying. Razodol wants a great setup. Don't worry, you'll get that setup, man. You're gonna get that setup. That's me. I usually trade 1 minute. Let's go. I also think so, but I already secured my profit on gold. Perfect. Secure your profits and leave. I mean, if you want to add more positions to a trade, go for it. You get me? Like, the thing is, people will ask for certain types of advice, and I can't give you a generic answer. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because we're all different people. Like, everybody trades differently. Like, I could see this opportunity, for example, let's just say, for example, I could see an opportunity to buy here for a nice 1:3. And instead of me having one position, I can have four. But just for example, I can enter four positions here. Some people will enter one. Doesn't matter. What matters is what works for you. Four might work for you, it might not. One might work for you, it might not. So it's all about your risk tolerance and your risk appetite. The same way, like if you go gym, the big guys in the gym will bench 200 kg. And the slim guys who aren't bodybuilders will bench 50, 60, 70, maybe 100 kg. So it's all about how much you can handle. But at the end of the day, the results will be the same. Like you're working on your body. The same way here, you're working on a trade, and the result is making money. So either way, money will be made. So do whatever works for you. Don't change it unless it's not working. I do have an announcement though. For those that are looking to trade, or those that are like want to work on their trading psychology / trading whatever, I'm your man. I'm the guy you're gonna need to come to. I'm opening up my own, I don't know what the word is. I don't want to say course, but my own, yeah, let's just say my own course. And it's 70% ready for you guys. Unfortunately, it's not going to be free though. But one thing I will guarantee you guys, the value that's inside of this course, it's A1. It's so good that even everything I try to explain inside it, you can explain to your 4-year-old daughter or son or niece or nephew. Because a lot of people like to overcomplicate things. When it's released, I'll send everybody the link and you pay for it. And yeah. So the inside details of it, right? So you guys get early access. You guys are the first people hearing about it, right? So what's going to happen is basically it's a whole course explaining everything about Forex. Okay, that's part one, phase one. Okay. Phase two is learning how I trade, like risk management, the strategy, so on and so forth. That's phase two of the course, right? And I have videos pre-recorded already explaining everything in as much detail as I can. Yeah. Then phase three is daily calls. So every day I'm going to hop on a call with everybody the same way I'm doing now, after a stream or before a stream, and just Q&A session, live trading sessions, and literally all of that. Yeah. So the good thing about the course is there's a progression marker or progression field. So you understand risk management, you click markets complete. So that's like 1%. So once you get to the last phase, which is the phone calls, you would be 100% understanding everything that I say. The reason why I say that with the phases, for example, because right now if I'm on stream, yeah, and I open up this chart of US 30, there's purple, there's green, there's white, there's black lines everywhere. You guys don't understand it, but I do, right? However, when you get the course and you join the calls, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, look at all these lines. You're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. You see what I mean? everything will just make so much sense. So yeah, I've put in a lot of hours behind this as well, guys. So the price will be worth it. That's all I'm gonna say. The price will be worth it. And one of the things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do live NFP sessions because I'm really good at trading NFP, guys. So if I'm making money, you're making money. But yeah, this all starts with just going to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. So we've analyzed US 30, check. We've analyzed gold, check. So look at US 30 now in the 4-hour time frame. It's struggling to close above that high level. My YouTube channel is 5P, Denzel FX. Denzel FX is my YouTube. Just search this, yeah? That's me that just commented that. So you can easily just tap the screen and it'll take you to my channel. So look at this in the 4-hour time frame, guys. Price is rejecting. As you can see, price is rejecting on the 4-hour. We've got that liquidity grab on the 4. So it looks like we could be bearish. We could be bearish. So this candle closes in 15 minutes, by the way. So in 15 minutes, we're going to know whether or not we're selling US 30 or if it's going to continue to buy. So I'm just going to draw a line here, a black line. Liquidity has been swept. Look at it on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, that's that. There is a chance. There is a slight chance. We could be bearish. So yeah, any questions, guys? That's what this is. That's what we are here for, to answer questions. Does anybody got any lingering questions they would like answered. Announcements. What's in free education? Nothing yet. The line chart is what I'm looking at. Exactly, yeah, to filter out the noise. Because we don't want to be having, all that noise there, man. We just want to keep it out. Plus line chart, you get to see everything. Okay, so I can see some of the premium members here. Okay. So Razado, I see you, brother. Oh, it's Prods, I see you too. So you guys are premium already. Let's go. So this is what is included in the premium access. Over 12 weekly live trading sessions, guys. That's including the YouTube streams. Premium trading setups, which is what I will be sharing in my chart. One-on-one support mentoring. Come on, who doesn't want to hop on a one-on-one call and talk things out? Then you got full access to the premium trading PDFs. Yeah. This is something you don't want to miss out on. So as you can see here, we all of us combined have over $400,000 payouts. So I think you should hear us out because we know what we're talking about. The community is good. The educators, as you can see, that's me. 5P Trading. And we're here to educate. For real, for real. But make sure you join the link for the giveaway, guys. Well, not the giveaway, the premium giveaway. So what we're giving away is access to all of this. That's what we're doing. We're giving away access to this. It's better to be a premium because imagine having access to 6 people that have made over 400,000 summed up. Crazy, right? Absolute madness. We've got TDM, we've got Clicker, we've got Jordan, we've got YNR, we've got Chris. Last but not least, you've got myself. We call that the A team. So you got monthly, 97 a month is perfect. So just as a matter of interest, guys, once I drop my course, what are you guys willing to pay for all the education / the live calls, the one-on-ones? What price would you put on that? I just want to hear you guys out. What price would you put? Hear me out. Or no price, I guess. Fine by me. Fine by me. $97. 1 month, 270, 3 months. 97 sounds affordable. So for my course, would you pay $97? Is what I'm asking. Full content, trading from scratch to now, pre recorded videos explaining everything that's inside of my mind on a video so you can download it into your mind, followed by calls every single day. Non-stop calls every single day. Does 97 sound like a good price? Yes or no? I'm just trying to gauge something here. I'm trying to see if I've got the right audience that are willing to take things to the next level. You know? Brick by brick. Okay. Lesedi, I like your honesty. Like, I really do like your honesty. Because I was thinking like 400 or 500. Literally 400 or 500. Noted. So, yes, I believe it's time for the giveaway. We have 1 minute until this 4 hour candle closes. So, oh, yeah. Look how it's closing, guys. Rejection. So, there's a high chance, a super high chance, US 30 is going to sell. Oh, yeah. We've got 15 seconds, yeah? Super high chance it's going to sell. 7 o'clock. So yeah, we're gonna pick a lucky winner. For the monthly subscription. I think I'm also gonna do that as well, guys. So when I have my thing ready on these streams as well, I'm gonna give one lucky person an account. So to enter the giveaway, the link I provided, sign up for Sway Funded using that link. And then I'm going to literally submit the giveaway form right on live so you guys can see it. So once the winner has been picked, I'm going to put your name over here. And from there, that's it. You will be contacted. Because what is starting to annoy me, lowest key, winners get the account. So our winners get selected and they keep messaging me like, yo, 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 like, look, I've done my part. So I'm going to start submitting these live on streams so you guys can see me physically picking the winner. And once the winner's been picked, your account will go to it'll go to the team. Okay. So it's a YouTube live. Easy. Don't worry, Razdo, it's not just you. Trust me, it's literally everybody just keeps messaging me. I'm like, yo, man, I've done my part. There's only so much I can do. If I could, I would literally just go into the database and the backside of things and say, yo, the people they're getting, they want, yeah. So yeah, I'm doing it live today, guys. I'm gonna do it live moving forward from today. So if you have opened an account using the link above, just comment number 1. Just 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Actually, we're not gonna do that. Here's what we're gonna do instead. So I know who's actually participating. So we've got 9 viewers in the call right now, or 9 viewers in the stream. So what I need you guys to do, go on YouTube, type in Denzel FX, hit enter, on Denzel FX. I've dropped 2 videos in the space of 1 week, guys. 2 videos have been dropped in 1 week. You get me? So, yeah. You know how we do. So go to the latest video, the one that's uploaded 4 days ago. 4 days ago. Go to this video here. Exactly. Patience. Patience is key. So yeah, go to this video, right? And just comment W. Go comment on the video and just comment W. Just W. You can't see, yeah, just W, all right? Then once you've done that, come back here and then just press the number 1. So I know you've done it. So go to my YouTube channel, Denzel FX, subscribe, comment in the latest video with the W, so I know you're coming from the stream. Once that's done, come back to this video, well, this stream over here. And then, yeah, I picked somebody lucky to get the premium access. Sounds like a fair trade to me. Then I'm gonna fill it in live on stream. You wanna be fast? You really wanna be fast with this? First person I see comment one, the account is yours. So if I were you, I would hurry up. If I were you, I would hurry up, man. What? Damn. All right, if that's okay, Tony Gold. Tony Gold did not waste no time. Tony Gold wasted no time. That's today's winner, Tony Gold. Oof. It's a tie. Nah, so Lasidi, you just post W on the video and then come back and post one. But don't worry, I see your comment, right? So Tony was the first person to do it. So Tony wins today's account. Well, today's premium. We're streaming on Wednesday, guys. Same time, same procedure. Lesedi, I think you're going to be the next person because you were really, in interacting and engaging. So make sure you join the stream on Wednesday, Lesedi, yeah? And it's yours. So I'm just going to fill this out live, all right? Actually, I don't think I should do it live. Reason being, like, I'm putting somebody's name and email on the screen. This is gonna go on YouTube, and yeah, privacy reasons. It's just not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is Tony. I'm gonna have to end the stream, fill it out, then I'll post it on my story. The winner was done, okay? Because yeah, it just came to my mind. I can't actually just give away someone's government name and email address. It's not right. Yeah. So yeah, congratulations, Tony, for winning the account. So text me on Instagram, Telegram, or Discord. Put in your full name, your Discord, and everything here, and we go from there. If you didn't win today, guys, trust me, we're doing this every 3 days a week. So eventually, everybody's gonna get premium access. So yeah, premium access involves a whole lot of perks and pros and all that stuff, guys. So if you don't want it for free, like, just pay. You're gonna get a whole lot of value. I can guarantee you that. In the meantime, go check out my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers in 30 days, guys. So it would be really helpful if you guys can help me push that. I need 7,000 subscribers, literally. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it's going to be done. Yeah, it's going to be done. So yeah, my people, love, blessings. Thank you guys for coming. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.